Crypto is moving faster than ever, but there's one thing that moves even faster: regulation. What governments decide today could shape the future of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the entire crypto industry tomorrow. So let's talk about the big changes happening right now in crypto policy and regulation, because this is something every investor, trader, and builder needs to understand. For years, regulators like the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, have been criticized for treating crypto like the Wild West. One day, they file lawsuits against exchanges. The next day, they approve ETFs. But now there's a visible shift. Instead of only enforcement, regulators are beginning to set clearer frameworks. This means instead of asking, is crypto legal or not, the question now is, how exactly will it be regulated? Clear rules can actually attract more big investors, institutions, and governments themselves. And here's where things get really interesting. Governments themselves are now looking at crypto not just as a threat, but as a strategic asset. For example, in the US, lawmakers have proposed creating a strategic Bitcoin reserve. Just like countries hold gold in their vaults, they're now considering holding Bitcoin. And get this, part of that reserve would come from seized crypto assets. Every year, law enforcement seizes millions, sometimes billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin and other tokens from hacks, scams, and criminal cases. Instead of selling it all off in auctions, the idea is, why not keep it as a national reserve? If the US actually moves forward with something like a strategic Bitcoin reserve, imagine the ripple effect. Other countries won't want to stay behind. We could see a future where nations start competing to accumulate crypto the same way they compete to hold gold, oil, or foreign currencies. That could turn Bitcoin from being just a speculative investment into a geopolitical asset, a tool of global power. And when that happens, the price impact? Let's just say it could be massive. So what does this mean for everyday people like you and me? First, we're entering a phase where regulation may bring more legitimacy. With clear rules, more banks, pension funds, and big companies will feel safe to invest in crypto. Second, if governments start stacking Bitcoin, it could put long-term upward pressure on prices because supply is limited. Remember, there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. If nations are holding it, less is available for the rest of us. But there's also a flip side. Heavier regulation means stricter compliance for individuals and businesses. Taxes, KYC, reporting, all of these will become tighter. The free, Wild West days of crypto may be ending. In short, crypto policy and regulation are no longer just background noise. They're center stage. The SEC shifting its approach, governments proposing reserves, and Bitcoin being seen as digital gold. So here's my question to you. Do you think governments holding Bitcoin is good for crypto, or does it go against the original decentralized vision? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your perspective. And if you want more updates on how regulation, policy, and crypto markets are evolving, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss what's coming next.